Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Just about to drive into the Tema free zone enclave. Surprisingly today, I was asked to pay a gate fee of 2 Ghana cedi, which never happened on any of my visits. So in case you're visiting the enclave soon, just keep this in mind. So this place is under the Ghana Free Zone Authority, which was established in 1995 to enable the establishment of free zones in Ghana to promote economic development and provide for the regulation of activities in free zone enclaves. And there are lots of companies here that are enjoying some generous incentives. So if you are an investor, this is the place to be. Some of these incentives are 100% exemption from payment of income tax on profits of 10 years, which will not exceed 15% thereafter. Free zone investors are permitted to operate foreign currency accounts with banks in Ghana. Relief from double taxation for foreign investors and employees. So this area has a lot of the metal fabrication companies. On my way to Ryder Steel, which is also a metal fabrication company. They do buy scrap metal, so if you have lots of scrap metal to sell, this is the company to contact. They use their scrap metal in manufacturing different steel products for residential and commercial construction. It's a space for investors to build their factory on. Investors can invest in any sector of their choice, but the Free Zone Authority has priority sectors, which are metal fabrication, textiles, apparel manufacturing, jewelry, handicraft production, pharmaceuticals, petrochemical, agro-food processing, assembling plants, and ceramic textiles manufacturing. At this side of the enclave, you find companies such as Cargill, who are into the production of cocoa products. So I welcome you to Ghana to come do business if you are an investor and want to enjoy some good and generous incentives. Do not forget to contact Ghana Free Zone Authority if you need any further details. Thank you for watching my video, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.